The today's 33 district-level industrial exhibition organized by the Office of General Manager, District Commerce and Industry Centre, Jowai, was inaugurated on the 20th of April 2022 by the local MLA and Chairman of Maumlo Chera Cement Limited, Shri Ladthadlaboh Shillong at Ladthadlaboh Indoor Sports Hall, Ladthadlaboh Playground, Madandai Masi, Jowai. The exhibition saw around 26 stalls participated by the government departments of the district, like the District Sericulture, Handloom, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Meghalaya Basin Development Authority Jowai, Senior Dairy, Social Welfare, Self-Help Group and societies from the district as well from the other parts of the district. Speaking at the inaugural function, the local MLA lauded the department for organizing such an exhibition, creating a platform that will boost the spirit of local artisans, craftsmen, entrepreneurs to further enhance their productivity besides helping them to exhibit and sell their products. Speaking at the program were Functional Manager Srimati S.E. Karpran, Shri C. Sutanga and Assistant Director of Cottage Shri F.G. Sinkon.
The deputy yogi progress. The kamongan ni negaliang yung government ka the perchango uto ilan uti hamtam kamongan chief minister yung ini yogi ni report the promodu yang entrepreneurs yogi the bone given the why to expo about Delhi kenang yogi cho exposure the tie of you begini given outside kenang wa kamongan yogi ketika market go biang yogi ketika rate go biang yogi ketika exposure go biang. Tasnya apa? Man iwa cinta. The unity side by side kamu ini, the idestang icibot di program side by side. The focus the win the program the erap ya the farmer yomi, inong rep yomi, the erapi the scheme kawa yo ibon sen inong rep yomi ibon sen ten member sagi tangu hit sembe, tangu hit sbo kam ter. Dan lembaga ni fokus program kepada yogi ni kepor social media kalian kepada the percang government penjok each and every farmer kenang yo jengeram yogi penku ya kerep keriang yogi
kesorkar peden din wa dadap suy garam ke sorkar yang iwan state government kau ye leader sampau aja hachwa lamba ke tourism department kata tak homestay scheme kau ya club lang bicara kau PMGP kau subsidi terpoy ga cado nyapa persen cuma dari sepalak cimlon ostang iwan go homestay cuma iwan mani thau weda pengkret like tourist terada apply bi scheme tu dia subsidi itu nyala dan kita dah gigi juga katukan ni juga kuat percaya ini kenapa PQM ini bagi berai ini kubur dan giwan dia kuat sungguh bui ini skim ye giwan juga office yang ini